babble, babble, babble. The toddler would often babble happily while playing with toys. Back, back, back. Friends should always back each other in times of need. Bake, bake, bake. She decided to bake a cake for the family gathering. Balance, balance, balance. The gymnast demonstrated incredible skill to maintain perfect balance on the beam. Balk, balk, balk. Despite initial enthusiasm, she began to balk at the idea of public speaking.
Like, subscribe, and share.
Ban, ban, ban. The government decided to ban the use of plastic bags to protect the environment. Bang, bang, bang. The door banged shut loudly, startling everyone in the room. Bandage, bandage, bandage. She had to bandage her injured hand after the accident.